Good morning mga mamshi. So, it's Friday. Gulay-gulay tayo today. So, ayan, cauliflower. And ang nilalagay natin dyan is shrimp, secharo, sayote, carrots. So, yung cucumber and okra. May ibang plan siguro si Pops. Baka yung okra ilalaga ni Pops. Gagawin niya vinegar dips yung cucumber. Let's start preparing for our Friday lunch. Na-prepare na natin ang ating Friday meal. So, we have cauliflower, sayote, shrimp, sibuyas, bawang, carrots, chicharo, patis, garlic salt, and sinaseparate natin. Kung na-notice nyo ang ating shrimp head, kasi gigisa muna natin yung shrimp head bago natin siya ilagay. So, last na natin ilagay yung shrimp para hindi ba siya ma-overcook. Let's start. Sibuyas and bawang, guys. And then, susunod natin ang ating shrimp head. Guys, ayan yung shrimp head. And here's our patis. Konti lang. For taste lang. Shrimp head and patis. Tapos lagay na natin yung sayote. Lagay na natin yung sayote for our gulay. So, shrimp, sibuyas, bawang, shrimp head, patis, and our sayote. Lagyan natin ng 1 cup of water. So, inuna natin yung sayote kasi siya yung hard, diba? Tapos susunod natin ang ating cauliflower, chicharo, and carrots. Lagyan natin ng cover ang ating sayote para mabilis yatang maluto like the other day pag may cover. So, ayan, nilagay natin ang cover. So, 10 minutes before lagay natin yung ating cauliflower. Kasi, nalagay na natin ang ating cauliflower. So, lagay natin yung cover para lumambot din siguro for 5 minutes bago natin ilagay ang carrots and the chicharo. Cover the cauliflower para makook for 5 minutes. Guys, nilagay na natin yung carrots and our chicharo, so our cauliflower and sayote. Let's wait. Malapit na yung maluto. Tignan na natin ang shrimp natin. So, cook lang natin yung maluha-luha. Finally, finish our cauliflower with shrimp, chicharo, and carrots. Garlic salt, fine now for the taste of our vegetable. Ma'am, luto na ang ating vegetable for lunch, dinner, later. Sana magustuhan ni Pops ang ating Friday meals. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video.